Hello, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a winter robin card. Now I'm going to put him over my face so that you can actually see, hopefully, some of the glitter. Can you see as it's catching the light? Oh, where's it going to go now? Just catch the light. There you are. A couple of little bits of glitter just along the branch and round by the musical notes. Anyway, come with me. Let's see how it's done. Right, so we're going to start with a stencil background. And the first thing is the 6x6 multifarious card we're going to be using and Sticker Stencil Set 1. And that's got the robin shape in it, which I'm just putting sort of 3/4 of the way into the card. Then I'll pop my ivy stencil over the top and grab my stencil, size 9 stencil brush and my Elements Ink Sundance. I'm aiming for some nice yellow around the back of him so that he sort of shines out. Then we've got the Elements Ink Greensleeves. That's nice and zesty. And finally we're going to go with some Elements Ink Pine. Take it off, have a look, see what you think, move it round a bit, and there we go, there's the pine. Okay, so we're just doing this around the edges because that sort of gives the illusion that our bird is snuggled in somewhere. I like that word, snuggle. Just turning the paper around so that I can get to the top bit. Super. And turning it again. And all this does is allow you to create this feeling of darker leaves. So that's your Emerald Inks. No, it's not. It's your Element Inks Mermaid. Giving it a leafy edge. Okay, so we're going to start stamping. So we've got our acrylic block and our Winter Magic stamp, and we're just inking it Diversifying Clair Nocturne. And there it goes down that white side of the paper. Just building up this background before we start working on that bird. So guess what we're doing now? Yep, the bird. So I've taken that bird off and I'm now putting the outside edge of it on. Okay, so this means that we are actually going to be working on that bird shape itself. Now I have, because I'm a mucky pup, I've put a bit of card over the edge so that I don't make any more mess. So that was Emperor Red Elements Ink, and this is Sundance Elements Ink. So I'm giving the Sundance to the beak and to the feet. And finally, Elements Ink Truffle. Just for the back of our robin. So I'm using the Divine stencil here and a white Posca pen because I like to use this for giving an idea of an eye. You can do it freehand, but I don't know, it just takes some of that away. So this is the Elements Ink Mermaid. And I'm just using that to do the tail ends of the feathers and around the edges of the stencil. Just gives a little outline to it. Not too intense either. So if I remove the stencil, the sticker stencil, let's ground our robin. So I've got the Musical Notes large stamp, and I'm just inking them up in VersaFine Clair Nocturne. Turning the quavers round so that they go the other way. There we go, looks like a little tune now, doesn't it? A veritable winter songbird. So these are the mini berries from the Berry Wreath with Mini Berries stamp set. And I'm just inking them up in VersaFine Clair Pinecone and stamping them off so that they're not too dark, but just give me an inkling of them being around, you know? Because I must admit, if I was a winter songbird, I'd want to be somewhere where there was a whole load of berries. But maybe that's just me. So let's go to the Elements Ink Truffle lid. Pop a little bit of water in using your spray bottle. And using a watercolour brush, just create a line for him to stand on. Literally go underneath the feet. And just fill in any white gaps that you fancy. Doesn't have to be too clever, that. Foliage! Hurrah! So this is Elements Ink Mermaid, size 9 stencil brush. And we're just going along that frame again. Taking it to the edge so that we've got a bit of blue with our white now. Sort of hints at snow, doesn't it? But without it being totally obvious. So this is my red Posca pen. And I'm just adding in some berries. So I'm going to where I've stamped before and just colouring them in, literally. But if at any point you think, actually, I want some more, just colour them in. You know, do them yourself, draw them in. This is the orange Posca pen because I think just having a little bit of variety with our berries makes them more interesting, really. So I'm using that same orange pen just to go around the eye of the robin. This is the mini holly stamp. And I've inked it up with VersaFine Clair Shady Lane. And I'm just going to pop that over any of the ends of the berry stamp, really. You can use this to hide anything you're not happy with or that you think looks a bit unsightly. But in the meantime, you're reminding us that it's a winter songbird. Let's pop a bit in the corner as well. So, of course, the holly has got berries. So let's go after the berries with that red Posca pen. And now it's a glittering finish. Hurrah! So using the heat tool, I'm just going to make sure that everything is dry on here. And I'm rubbing that magic anti-static pad all the way over so that hopefully the only bits that are going to get stuck in whatever I'm doing here with the wow embossing pen are going to be the bits there. So I'm just thinking of where snow might fall. I don't want it to be massive. I just want dots of it. So I've put some wow embossing white opaque regular powder on and I'm heating it up. Now I think I'm going to give you a bit of an intense close-up in a minute to give you an inkling of what I've done. It's not too much, but it's subtle. Can you see? Just a couple of little bits of white snow. If you imagine that this branch isn't really sticking out, you don't want it to be completely covered. So I'm just dotting some of my quickie glue pen down the page along by the musical notes and in and around the white space. and along the edge too, because I want a real bit of glitter, a bit of bling. That's what we're after. So this is our holographic, Starbright's holographic glitter. And that is fab, I think. Nice bit of glitter going on there. If it's not enough for you, add some more. But just stop when you're ready. So I've gone back in, but this time, what have I got here? Dark denim. Obviously didn't feel it was dark enough for me in that corner. Taking my white Posca pen and just adding some highlights to my berries. And then, my friends, you've done it. Well done. Hurrah! I really enjoyed this card. I did. I really enjoyed making it. It's just a songbird, isn't it? A winter songbird. Out in that cold, frosty morning. Love it. Yeah. Happy with that. Thank you very much for coming along. I hope you've enjoyed it too. If you've got any comments you'd like to make about this craft, please pop them in the post below and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, season's greetings, folks. Have a good one. Bye.